Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Infused honey has a wonderful flavor from the herb and the flower. But comparing with the flower honey, is infused honey really better? What are the benefits the infusion process brought in? In this video, you will find the answers of these questions. And at the end, I will demonstrate you the two ways you can easily make infused honey at home. Welcome to LeTime channel. If you are new here, our channel focuses on explaining the benefits of the different herbs and the ways to extract them, including distillation to make essential oil and hydrosol, infusion, tincture, infused oil, decoction, and today's topic is about infused honey. If you are interested in this area, please subscribe to the channel. Infused honey has a wonderful flavor. It captures from the flower, infused into the honey, and it goes very well with all kinds of foods, the bread, salad, and a drink. Actually, it not only brought the flavor from the flower, also it carries essential antioxidants, the flavonoids, extracted from the herb, and keep the benefits in the honey. There is a research doing the comparison study between the sweet clover flower infused honey with the honey made by bee from the sweet clover flower. They were measuring the microchemical of coumarin within these two different honeys. They found that the sweet clover flower infused honey has 100 times higher coumarin compared with the honey made from this same flower. And it's proposed that the flower infused honey have the benefit of treating the vein disease. There are two methods to make infused honey. The first one is a room temperature infusion. I'm going to show you to make a rose infused honey. And the second one is a hot accelerated infused method. I'm going to show you with lavender buds. When we're doing the infused honey, we always try to use a dried herb or flower because it contains less moisture. In the raw honey, it only contains 17% of the moisture, and this makes the honey last forever. And if you have more water within the honey, it gives the chance of those germs to grow. So that's why we control the moisture content within the infused honey. The steps are the same for both methods. Add the flour into the container first and add about 1/4 of the volume of the bottle and filled with the honey. And I use the honey purchased from the local farmer, so to help support the local business and also use the best quality of the honey. When we are doing the hot infusion, try to control the temperature. First, I turn on the water bath to boiling and then go down to the simmering without seeing the bubbles coming out from the water bath, and see the bottle in and warm it up. At the same time, keep stirring it because the lavender buds can easily float up onto the top of the honey, and you want to have a good mixture or submersion of the flower into the honey and to help improve the extraction. After honey got heat up, they will have a better flowability, so they can become less thicker and easier to mix, and keep heating up for 1.5 hours and then turn on the heat. For both of the methods, you want to have the flower sit in the honey for a longer time, 1 to 2 weeks. Because we use hot infusion, it can help us shrink the time. Start to use it in the next day after the hot infusion. But for the normal temperature infusion, you want to sit in the warm place for at least 7 days. Weeks will be better, and with a longer time, you can extract more flavonoids. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you know how to make infused honey at home and make your personal gift for the coming holiday season. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. See you next time.